Welcome to Hcare. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can use our combo pack option to provide special discounts to patients for receiving more than one treatment. This option is very useful for derma treatment sessions. You will find this option in our Hcare menu under the configuration section. We have the option called combo packs here. Select this option and you can see all the available combo packs that have been created before. To create a new one, click on the create button. Provide the combo pack name. Then on the combo item tab, specify the treatment just by typing the treatment name or selecting one from the list. And in here you can specify the count, which will be the number of sessions that you have for this particular treatment. For example, if I put 3 sessions for this treatment, our system will automatically calculate the total price for these 3 sessions. In case if the doctor wants to provide any special discount for this combo pack, he can give the discount per unit or he can discount it out of the total amount. To provide the discount per unit, he can just change the price here, or if he wants to change the total price, he can type it from here. So let us say if it's 6,900, we will make it 5,000 for this combo pack. So after filling up all this information, click on the save button. Then let us see how we can use this combo pack in any appointment and schedule all these 3 sessions. To do that, let us open a confirm appointment from our scheduler. Let us mark the patient as check-in and then change the status to Hcare. So after the appointment is in Hcare status, on the payment lines, we can add the item. In here, we have to add the new combo pack that we have created, which is combo pack 3. And you can see that the amount that we have specified in the combo pack has appeared here. Then click on save button and you will see a new button called update combo sessions, and this button will appear for all combo pack treatments. Click on this button and you will see a new tab called combo sessions where all the 3 sessions will appear. From here you can book an appointment for all these 3 sessions, or you can do that from here also. Under package sessions. In here you can see that all these 3 sessions that we have marked for this particular combo pack has appeared on the combo session list. We can also schedule the appointment for all these 3 sessions just by clicking on mark booking button here and then specifying the date from the calendar. For example, if I want to schedule this one for 31st of this month, I can select 31st and then I can specify the time also. Then click on mark booking. And you will see that this appointment has been already scheduled. Moving back to the scheduler, on 31st of the month, you will see that the session that we have scheduled is now available on the scheduler. Click on it and you will be able to see the sessions that we have mentioned for this particular appointment. So from here we can go ahead and click on the confirm button and we can follow the same steps to mark this appointment as completed. Then you will see in our combo session list that this appointment has been marked done and the status is now changed to done from here. If we want, we can also change the status of this appointment to undone and redo the same procedures again. Another way to schedule these sessions is from appointment scheduler. For example, if I click on any slot and if I type the name Noora, You will see that the pending 2 sessions that has not been scheduled with any appointment are there, and you can mark one or you can pick any one and you can click on create. So an appointment for this session will be scheduled on our scheduler. We can also generate a report for all the combo sessions from the report section here. You can see an option called Combo Packs Report. Just select this option, specify the period for generating the report, and then click on print. We can also generate this report for a specific patient or a specific combo pack. In that case, we just have to select it from here. Then click on print button, and then you will see the status of all the sessions in this report. For example, there is 2 sessions that are done and there are more sessions that are not yet scheduled. So that's all for this video. Thank you.